That's amazing. Right in our backyard, huh?
I know, right?
Right in our backyard.
And then here we are stealing bread.
And here people are paying to go see this. It's in our backyard. We're sitting in front of our house watching this. Unreal. I know. Mary, you see, people are paying for this stuff, and here we are watching it in our backyard.
I know. Last year I sat outside. I don't feel like my leg is killing me. Oh my God, that's something?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's beautiful. Nice.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
This weather only.
I had such a major headache, and I was
What, honey?
Somebody parked here, huh?
Yeah,
Orlando.
Oh, that's Orlando?
People are coming on my driveway and turning around. What if they have oil spots?
Oh, yeah.
That was nice. Beautiful.
It is.
Wow, it's nice.
Yes, when the dogs are going crazy, I
Yeah. Yeah. The dogs, yes.
bet. Right? Yeah.
Oh, my dogs are going nuts.
I know. Show all the dogs. Look at this guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
People are celebrating it, I swear.
What a celebration. This is awesome.
Cause an accident.
Yeah. That parking lot is full.
Oh,
yeah.
it's packed with people.
$5 per car.
$5 a car.
Wow.
I should tell them.
That one was amazing.
Exactly.
Are you enjoying this?
I'm used to it.
This
I'm
our
sure.
first time.
There
How are
you
your
go.
boys? Good?
My little one went over there. My older one is in Philadelphia. He's in the band right now. Yeah. Actually, tomorrow is his finale.
I wonder, always think to put people in their birds do. They must put
I know, right? All the snow.
He's smart. He's putting it on.
I was taking pictures at first, and then when I noticed I could record it, but the pictures came out all beautifully actually. But now that I have the video, I can capture the images even closer,
Yeah.
or maybe sharper. Wow, that one was awesome.
Is he staying overnight, Orlando?
No, he
He's
actually,
living right after.
no, he lives in Saturday.
He lives in the park, I think.
Yeah,
Oh, I see.
he's actually one of the members at our church. Wow, that was beautiful. That is awesome. Oh wow, look at this. Ah, yeah, tremendous.
Yeah.
Now you see, men can create such beautiful things, and they can't believe in a creator who created them.
Right.
Picture that. Why pay for fireworks when you can just in your backyard?
Yeah. Check the door, John.
Yeah, I'll have to look at it.
Yeah, I'll see you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, bye-bye. Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I want to smell.
I know, okay, I'm glad you held on. Wow, 5 minutes so far. How long is this going to last? About 15 minutes?
No, longer.
Is that right?
Started at 9 o'clock, so you figure I think 10 o'clock.
Well, I'm going to stop the camera at 6 minutes.
Yeah.
How long they last?
Till 10, I think.
Are you serious?
No,
What time is it now?
I don't know.
What time is it now? Can you see the time on that?
It started a little after 9.
No,
so
really.
Oh, this last 1 hour.
yeah, I think so.
Wow, that's a lot of time.
I might be wrong. Maybe a half an hour.
Wow. Now who paid for
Oh,
it? The city?
city.
I
It's a
guess
city?
so. I guess so. Yeah.
Yeah.
City and donuts. Oh, wow. That's nice.
It's always the same, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a little too close. I can't get there.
Well,
I think I'm going to do it anyway.
all right.
All right.
Okay, take
All
care.
right. You too. I'll see you.
Take care, Mary.
Okay. Make it farther. It is too close.
You can't do it with this camera. They
Oh,
don't,
really?
they don't
Can I
adjust.
do?
They don't adjust.
Oh.
Video don't adjust in these cameras. It was clear at first. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, it's kind of blurry now.
Yeah, it's getting blurry.
Yeah.
Yours is doing the same thing too, right? It was clearer.
This was clear before.
Look. I just touched it and it's cleared. It's me. I didn't focus it.
Yeah, maybe that's okay.
I wonder why I didn't see that. There it is. I missed some great moments because it was out of focus for a while. Awesome. There you go. I like when all of fireworks just cascading down. Can you imagine sometime artists capture these things? Wow, look at this. It's as if you see some angelic being just coming out from the clouds or something. Yeah. Unbelievable. That's a finish. That too.